Rob, what have they done to you? Hello again everyone, how are you all and hope you're all well, and welcome back to this restoration of Nintendo's R.O.B the robot. Now this robot was found in this abandoned storage unit which I've been fixing loads of things up from, right by that pillar there in fact, on the bottom, covered in all this muck and grime and everything, been forgotten for 30 years. But he's been saved, and in this video we are going to fix him up and we are going to just give him a new lease of life. Now this is particularly gross because this one didn't get the bird mess on it, but this has got a lot of mold and just, as you can see from these pictures, it is not nice. But everything deserves a second chance, and that is what we're going to do on this video. So please sit back, enjoy, and I'll catch you at the end, where we take a look at what R.O.B the robot looks like after this restoration, and also what was the winner of the vote from the VIC-20, Spectrum or Amstrad CPC that will be fixing up next. So I'll catch you at the end. And just like that, we are finished. What's only been a few minutes for you has been quite a while for me, and a labour of love, let's say. Cannot believe how well this has come out. This R.O.B was lost for 30 years and almost ended up in landfill. Now it's going to live on and be the pride of someone's collection. Now that really does make me smile. Now let's get talking about who the winner is for the next restoration. And yes, it is the Garfield Spectrum, with quite a lot of the votes, if I'm honest. And I think it was Garfield himself there that won this and swung it in his direction. The only problem is now I'm going to have to get the Garfield game for when I fix this up. And thank you again for joining me. If you like these restoration videos, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you again next time.